Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to create dependent drop-down list in Excel. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. So first let's create the first list. We will have only two items on this list, fruits and vegetables. Select the range of cells in which the drop-down list will work and go to the Data tab. Then Data Validation. Here we select the list and in the source field we type the list items, or if you have prepared them somewhere like I have, then we simply select the cells. Great, the first part is ready. Now we need to link the first list to the second one. For example, I'll create the first list dynamically with the addition of new items, and the second will be static without adding new items. So we select a range with fruits and make it a table. Click OK and give the name of this table in a new tab. In this case, these are fruits, just like in the first list. Now we are creating a static list for vegetables. We select the cells and give them a name. The name will be simple, vegetables. Great, we just need to create another list, select the range of cells in the second column and go to the Data tab. Data Validation, select the list and enter a small formula in the source field. We type indirect and in brackets the cell with the first list. Be sure to remove the dollar signs so that everything works correctly. Click OK and check. As you can see, if you select fruits, then only fruits are in the second list. If you select vegetables, then vegetables are in the second list. And if we need to add a new item, then we type it under the table and it's automatically added to the drop-down list. But the static list remains constant. And that's it. Now in Ultima.